What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the Artic Race Blue BMW 330i that we have right in front of us. Now this color, man, dude, it is beautiful. I really like how this color looks. And what's unique about this exact car is that the badging is absolutely different compared to any other regular BMW badging that you're seeing. Now let us take a look at the front and let's slowly go right in to the interior. So let's start off with the front lights. Amazing dark housing on the inside. You got your DRLs that come up right here. Your main lights should be those two. Signal light should be on the left, the most outer part. Nice housing which is fully dark. Looks really nice. Now the bottom bumper, even though this is a blue car, these are in gloss black. So I like how pointy and sharp this thing looks, with some opening right here for air to flow through. That's kind of nice. So for the center bumper that we have right here, you get your sort of like design like finish on the left and the right. It makes it look very aggressive, but your ADAS sensor is right here. Got some opening right there for air to flow through, and also on this side right here, your grille looks absolutely stunning. Now I doubt these actually open, or maybe yep they do. Looks kind of like shaky, so perhaps maybe they do. I've not seen this thing open, but perhaps yeah, they do open for cooling purposes. But yeah, you do have your camera that's located right there. You got your number plate holder down here, and love the black lining that goes across the whole grille. So looks really unique. To see this contrast stuff happening, that's good. Now the badging is really unique as well. I like how the BMW size is smaller, but you have all the other colors happening around it. Looks kind of nice. Lines on the hood from left and right, and also with the shade right here, you can see it's pointy, and then it just goes thicken. Even over here as well, can you see it? Nice. I like how it looks. Amazing front hood. Now for the wheels, not only the front body and the back has your, how to say this, your badging to be different, but even the wheels follow as well. So very nice. M badging right here. You got your M calipers in blue. Solid disc brakes happening right at the back, and also you get your two-tone finish of a wheel with the black and the silver happening all over the place. Pirelli tires is what they're using. Tire size of this car is 225/40 R90. So a very nice finish design of a wheel. So you do get your M performance wording right here on the front, for the sides skirting, so that's kind of nice. You get your M badging right there at the start of the door. The fender, very cool. Now you do have your carbon fiber looking of side mirror, so that's something that you don't really get on a regular 330i. You do have your black lining for the whole side of the door, which looks absolutely stunning. Love the shape of the car with all the lines that are happening all over the place. Mirror looks good. Handle is right here to open up the door. So let's check out the interior. First of all, you do get your lights, if you can see it, from the underside of the car right here. Pops right up. And for the doors, as you can see, fully blacked out finish of a door. You got your door handles right here, the silver lining that goes across the side, together with the ambient lighting that lights up right there. You have your handle to hold to pull to close the door, together with your window adjustments. You also have your compartment storage and your cup holder. Looks kind of cool. Speaker goes right here as well. Very nice indeed. M side plate. Of course, it doesn't come in blue because it's brand new, so it's covered. But yeah, electronic seats are given also as well. Seat looks fantastic. Let's jump right in. Show you guys how the interior looks like. So let's lower down the seat a little bit to make it be as comfortable as you can get. Firstly, dashboard looks fantastic with these sort of like designs. I'm sure the camera can capture it and you can see it. And even down here, cup holders happening right there, wireless charging happening right down there. You got your USB-A and your 12-volt socket happening right here also as well. So that's kind of nice. Love the textured like finish for the center. Sort of like a matte finish, very nice with the design. Leather dashboard. You got a fabric lining at the side right here together with the top. Got your so-called mirrors and SOS call button right here. Amazing housing for the center. You do have your fabric lining for the center roof, which looks kind of cool. Amazing mirrors that you guys get. Also your screen is very wide and facing towards the driver. Love the steering wheel. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in full black, no linings whatsoever. Very nice. Seat is comfortable. So let's get right down. Take a look at the rear. Once again, door looks fantastic. I like how when you open up the door, you leave a certain black piece right here, so that's kind of nice. So for the doors, let's take a look. Black interior finish. Handle right here to open up the door, handle to pull to close the door. You got your window adjustments, compartment storage. Looks fantastic. Now for the interior part, it's full blacked out, very nice. Let's get right in. Legroom is fantastic as well, as you can see, beautifully done. You got your air vents right here for the center, temperature adjustments, USB type C connectivities down here. So this is me sitting comfortable right at the rear. Seatbelts are in black, headroom is good. You have this part right here. If you fold it right down, of course your cup holders are located right there, so very nice indeed. So let's jump right into the center, and this is me sitting comfortably once again. Headroom is good, and on the center, as you can see, amazing interior. Love that, man. It's very simple gear. Let's get right down, open up the doors so you guys can see. So ambient lighting has just came on, but it'll go off in a while more. Let's take a look down here. So the rear wheels, once again, 255 35 R19, two-tone finish of a wheel. You got your solid disc brakes happening right there, blue calipers right there. Got your BMW badging that's happening over there as well, so that's kind of cool. And badging on the wheel, two-tone finish. I like how this is. Pirelli tires is what they're using. Very cool. Your cap opens up, very nice indeed. So cool. So let's take a look at what else are we looking at. Come on, just I've got to see another one right here. Okay, cool. So rear looks fantastic. Like how the lights are jutting out of the body of the car, so that's really kind of cool. Even on this side as well, looks very nice indeed. So you got your 330i wording right here as well, and also your BMW badging for the center, together with your number plate holder that goes right there. Amazing rear diffuser. I like how this looks, and also the exhausts are in this round shape. It's not in this square shape like the other models, like the M340i. That's kind of nice. Two exhausts left and right, as you can see. You got your reflectors right here, together with the black housing that's happening over there as well. So even the bumper is in blue. The smoke tail lights you guys are getting, 330i badging right there. Love the spoiler that comes together with the car, which follows the body color, unlike the other designs. But let's open up the boot, show it to you. You have a power boot as well. For you to close the boot, you got your warning triangle located right there. You got your amazing boot space that's happening right here. First aid kit over there, compartment storage over there, together with the owner's manual, I believe. Should be this. But yeah, let's fold down the seats and show you guys space that this car comes with. Sweet. Folding the seats right down, as you can see, looks absolutely spacious. Tons of space that you guys are getting for a car like this. Even on this side, with this folded down, you can actually see tons of space, guys. Amazing space that you guys are getting. Beautiful looking. So let's close the boot right here. Take a look. Beautiful looking interior, beautiful looking boot space, and take a look at the interior part of the driver's seat. So firstly, you have your amazing door finish that's happening right here, full blacked out finish, together with the chrome door handles that are happening right here in this sort of satin finish. Memory seats, you got two. You also get your satin finish of a door lining right here, together with your ambient lighting that's integrated right on the inside. You got your window adjustments here and here, together with your side mirror adjustments. Compartment storage down here, boot opening right there, looks good. M plate at the side, sport pedals, your brake and accelerator happening down there. We'll open that up, show it to you in a while more. But yeah, lighting adjustments over here. Seat looks in black, so let's jump right in, take a look. The inside looks good. So once again, love the finishing for the center. All sort of connectivities are all over the place. Start button, stop button, and all sorts of stuff. Beautiful interior. So let's hit start and see whether the car comes to life. But nevertheless, TDC marker is in black. Steering wheel looks good. Negative shift, positive shift. Love the design finish of the steering. Signal indicators on your left. These should be your wiper adjustments. Design of the wheel looks really good also. At the same time, you got your lighting adjustments that are happening right there. So let's turn them on and let's show it to you guys how they actually look. So let's jump right in. Take a look at the front. So the front of the car does look very stunning indeed. take a nice cover photo for the front. Beautiful finish of a car like this, man. Love the lights, the lines that pop right down. Looks absolutely nice. So let's jump right to the rear. Take a look at the dark finish of a tail light together with the brake lights that are happening right there as well. Like the design, very nice. Color of the car is very nice, helps a lot actually. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys. With the amazing carbon fiber finish of a side mirror, you get the turn indicators integrated right in, so that's kind of nice. And also, as I mentioned earlier, the side of it becomes the turn indicator and the rest of it still remain. Very cool. Now let's take a look at the rear. These ones right here turn out to be turn indicators, left and right at the bottom, the whole piece, so that's kind of nice. Now let's turn this off and put that back in auto, and let's open up and show you guys the front hood of what's actually hiding underneath here as well. So that's where your engine goes, with your twin turbo, your BMW badging, BMW word. I like how the design of it is very straightforward, compact, very clean, very clean finish is what you guys are looking at. So very nice indeed. So let's close this back down. Looks very beautiful. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about BMW cars, do head down to showroom right here. The description is right down below. Find and contact the salesperson directly. You can look at so many other colors, different kinds of cars, because as you can see outside there, they have tons of different kinds of cars parked right out there, and all these are brand new as well. So very cool. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.